Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you a technique to kickstart your creative art making process. And at the same time, you can also use the same technique for relaxation as well. So I will see you inside. Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be using prompts. Not verbal prompts, but more visual prompts. And these prompts are taken from lessons that I've learned from my art therapy training and also resources off the internet. And they are called visual prompts, and they can be used for art therapy purposes, and they can also be used to kickstart your creative process. But before we start, I want to make it clear that we're not doing any sort of therapy here, but we're just trying to kickstart your creative process. But if any of you would like to use the techniques that I'm going to be showing here for your relaxation and stress reducing purposes, please feel free to go ahead, because that's not considered therapy. All right? So with that out of the way, let's get on with it. So in this method of painting, this method is used in art therapy a lot. Well, I've used this method very often in my counseling sessions with my clients. But they're used for different purposes and not just for art making purposes. So in this case, I'm commandeering the technique to use it for art making purposes to help anyone who's interested to break through their artist block, creative block, and to help you relax and reduce stress. So basically, the idea is you draw a circle anywhere you want on the paper. In this case, I drew the circle in the center of the paper. And as I drew this circle on the paper, I had a vision in my mind of what kind of artwork I want this to be. And right off the bat, I'm already feeling like maybe I drew the circle a little too small, but it's okay, I'll work with it. Remember, this is a visual art prompt. Just go with whatever is there. So the key thing here is don't plan. Use your intuition. The main thing here is you want a circle. You can choose to put the circle anywhere on the page. And the size of the circle is also up to you. But it has to be a circle. So when I put this circle down, I had this vision in my mind of how I wanted this artwork to look like. So I went with it. Even though I felt like the circle I had was a little too small. But little did I know, when I drew this piece of artwork, it was my own personal art therapy. Because after I finished this artwork, I realized what it was trying to tell me. And with that, I end this video here, and I will talk to you again in the next video.